Hi YouTube. So I just thought I'd make a quick video. Johnny Wilson's 325 Sport has arrived back from the painter, and the painter has really outdone himself this time. The paintwork and the panel work on this car is straight as the day it left the factory, and the finish on the paintwork is just out of this world. Obviously we've had the car painted inside and out, and the complete underside of the car is brand new. So as you can see, we've had it fully sandblasted back to bare metal, and then brand new under sealer, brand new seam sealer, fully applied from front to back of the car, as well as all brand new paint over the original under sealer as well. So well, over the new under sealer, I should say, and that's just made the car absolutely perfect. So yeah, you can see in the sunlight how nice the car looks. I just sort of do a little walk around of the paintwork for you guys to see how lovely it is with the reflection. Trying to get the reflection of the paintwork, see how flat the finish is. You see our building in the paintwork itself, and that's when you know how nice the paint is, when you see how flat the actual paint is. I'll try and get some more reflections in the paintwork. Here we go. So there's no actual rippling of the paint or any of the parts of the building, the steel building that you're looking at. There's no rippling. You can see the actual sign up on the front of my building. This is, you know, a reflection in the paintwork itself, and you can see how crystal clear that sign is and the writing, and that gives you a good idea of how smooth and flat the paint is on the body of the car. The lack of the clear coat they've applied onto the car is just out of this world. So it gives you a good idea of what the side of the car looks like all the way down. The entire car, look how crystal clear my hand is in that paintwork. The painter really outdone himself this time, and the finish on this Tech 2 325 Sport is going to be beautiful. The body kit is exactly the same finish in the paintwork. I also asked the painter, which a lot of painters don't like doing, when they know there's a body kit fitted to a car, they don't tend to paint past the trim line down very well, or lack of that area very well, and I wanted the finish to be perfect over the entire car. So he spent obviously more time making that area right below the trim line down on the car itself, so the entire car, if anyone works on it in the future, they wouldn't be able to say that it's been done. You know, it looks like a factory finished car. As you can see, we've got started to fit all our gold bits, our freshly zinc plated parts onto the car again, just to hold the bonnet on whilst we brought it back from paint. Another shot in the bonnet, so you can see my sign reflecting in the paintwork in the background there. It's just out of this world. This paint finish, the painter who painted this done an absolute beautiful job. And I mean, when I went over there to view the car, that it was quite difficult to see how clear and how crystal the paint was when it was in the booth, but outside with the sunlight on it, showing all the reflection of me in the paintwork as well as all the building in the background, you can see how beautiful the paint finish is. And it took a lot of man hours to get to this point. You know, we're well up there, probably 600 hours, and we've got to finish the car, put it back together. We've got possibly between 3 weeks work solid to finish this car back to completion. And the reason it takes so long is that obviously we've got to just be so gentle with everything. So the full suspension has been fully powder coated in an M-Power theme. So we've gone the 3 M-Power colours in the suspension, and no colour is touching its no colour is touching the same colour of, you know, no red is touching red, red's touching blue, and blue's touching darker blue. So it will be really nice. The engine's been fully rebuilt by JC Racing, so that's sat inside the workshop waiting to be fitted, and the engine is fully vapor blasted, all zinc plated bolts, everything is brand new on the engine as well, fully rebuilt with a high lift cam. The differential, every single part of the suspension is going to be brand new. So Powerflex poly bushers, Bilstein shocks, I-back springs, and we're basically trying to make it the best 325 Sport we physically can. So you know, it's a really nice change to be doing this to a 325 Sport rather than an M3 all the time, but you know, it's nice to put our little sort of touch to a standard 325 car rather than working on M3s all the time. So yeah, this is going to be out of this world, this build, once it's done, and I hope that the customer is going to be happy with the result. So yeah, this is 325 Sport facelift. I believe it was well, I can't actually remember whether it was an F or a G, but it looked a nice car when it came in, but the car had been really sort of, over the years, had plates and plates and plates welded in it, and you know, we had to basically go back to the drawing board and cut a lot of that out. You know, we've used cuts from cars and odds and sods from other cars just to get it spot on right, and we've been able to make this thing look like it hasn't been touched. So yeah, we're very proud how we've got the car. There's, you know, going to be zero, well, there was zero rust on this car. The sunroof was bought brand new. You know, there's so many panels brand new, front wings from BMW, everything that we could get brand new we've bought, and Johnny Wilson will end up with one of the best, in my opinion, one of the best 325 Sports in the UK. And yeah, it will just drive like a brand new car off the showroom factory floor. So I hope he's going to be pleased with it. It's been a great pleasure doing the job, and the series of videos, the time-lapse videos, will begin as soon as we start building this thing back up. So well, looking forward to seeing this thing come together. I hope you will enjoy the videos yourself as we post them, the time-lapse videos, and yeah, if you do, give it a like, give it a subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and perhaps share it with your friends. Thank you. Spencer from BMP.